everyone, it's me DJ Diwata and once again, welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, ayan ang Please Mr. Postman cover by Mission Souls and of course, originally sung by The Carpenters, ang most requested song sa atin ngayon, published 3 months ago with 144,000 views. Sobrang excited ako dito. Alam nyo ba kasi ang family band na to ay talagang addictive din. Isa na rin sila sa mga favorite family band ko. Di ba nadagdagan yung paborito ko and sobrang napapasaya nila ako kasi every time na magre-react ako, good vibes ang ibibigay nila sa akin. And for sure, hindi lang po sa akin kundi sa lahat ng ating mga viewers dyan at sa lahat po ng mga fans na nagmamahal sa mga family band na binibigyan natin o ginagawa natin ng reaction video. Okay, so ayan, pakinggan na natin ang Please Mr. Postman ng Mission Souls. Bungad pa lang, kinabuga tayo ni Ice. Galing! Galing si Ice! Pasok pa lang yun, ha? Pero ulitin natin, nabitin ako, ang galing. Wow!
Whoa, yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Wait, Mr. Postman. Please, Mr. Postman, look and see. Whoa, yeah. If there's a letter in your bag for me, Mr. Postman. What's taking such a long time? Oh, yeah. For me to hear from the boy of mine. There must be some word today from a boyfriend so far away. Please, Mr. Postman, look and see. If there's a letter for me. I've been sitting here waiting. make me feel better by leaving me a card or a letter. Mr. Postman, look and see. Whoa, if there's a letter in your mail for me, Mr. Postman, why's it taking such a long time? Why don't you check it and see one more time for me? You gotta wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Mr. Postman, come on, deliver the letter. The sooner the better. Mr.
Grabe, ang galing ng cover song na to. One of the best cover songs ng Mr. Postman, and sobra akong nag-enjoy. Ang saya, grabe, bungad pa lang, pasabog na ang ibinigay sa atin ni Ice. And of course, si Stacy, ang husay ng kanyang pagbabackup vocals doon sa kanyang mom, no? And syempre yung blending ng voices ng family, ang galing. And Mami Sheena, sobrang galing mo talaga. Nakaka-in-love ang voice ni Mami Sheena. And syempre si Daddy Seka, no? Talagang sobrang how do I say this? Napaka-kalmado niya habang tumutugtog. And lahat sila, napabilib nila ako dito. Walang sapawan, walang agawan na eksena. Pero, the best ang little drummer boy natin. Sobrang napaka-natural. Para siyang naglalaro na enjoy niya ang bawat dugdugdug. Diba? Sobrang I love it, Ice. Okay? Anyway, ayan, nag-enjoy din ba kayo? At talagang for sure ay uulit-ulitin nyo ang Mr. Postman ng Mission Souls kagaya ko. I'm pretty sure na uulit-ulitin ko to. Anyway, ayan, if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button to get notified on my next video. Huwag nyo din pong kalimutang i-subscribe ang Mission Souls. Ayan, ang dami magagandang cover songs sa mag-e-enjoy kayo sa kanila. And of course, don't forget to subscribe also ang aking DJB Israel. Ayan, marami kayong mga reaction video din na mapapanood dyan. Although, medyo napahinga ako, pero habang maluwag pa ako sa work, ay sasamantalahin ko para makagawa ko ng reaction video para sa ating mga subscribers, mga viewers, at mga friends na nag-iintay ng ating reaction video, okay? So, bye-bye everyone. Hope to see you again on my next vlog. And always remember that music is life and life is style without music. This is DJB Diwata once again saying, I love you all.